Déjame una vez, te perdono. Déjame otra vez, no te conozco. Yo te di todo. Déjame sola hoy en la mañana. Déjame para allá, se va la gana. Yo te di.
Hi everyone and welcome to my channel about makeup. Today I'm gonna do the makeup on my beautiful model Jana, and she is so inspiring to me that I'm gonna also comment what I'm doing and give you some tips and tricks. Today's makeup is an inspiration for a bridesmaid look because the bridal season is in full swing, and that's a look that I very often do. But of course on Jana I will use a little bit more imagination and effort. So I started with preparing her skin, which is already very incredibly beautiful. Jana has a very nice tan color, and I applied a budget but a very good skincare from Beauty Bay. Nobody talks about it, but I have to say that for the price it is, especially if you catch it like on discounts, this skincare is so well working with makeup. I used a serum, I used an under eye cream and a nourishing oat cream on Jana, and now I am applying a foundation. This is a hydrating foundation from NYX, which is one of my favorite makeup brands in low-medium price segment. It's so close to the quality of professional makeup, and the prices are so affordable, and it makes the skin super beautiful. It also covers the rednesses and stays very long, but it gives a very nice glow, especially together with a nice skincare. After foundation I applied a lighter concealer. It's also a hydrating concealer in the center of the face. And illuminating base as a highlighter. It's also a budget product from Catrice, but it works so well in my opinion. It's so worth it. Just try it out. Next step, I'm gonna do her eyes and cheeks, and I prepared the eyes by covering them with a concealer, the same one, and on the cheeks I mixed two matte lipsticks from Sephora, a cooler tone one and a more orange coral from NYX, and I got an interesting shade which I blended in first with a brush and then with a sponge, and got a very nice flush cheek. And a hack for saving some time actually is applying the same product to the cheeks and eyes, and later you will see I applied it also on the lips. Next I decided to brush up Jana's beautiful brows, which honestly maybe don't really need anything. They're so perfect. Like how, oh my god, look at her, she's so beautiful. I decided to give the brows a bit more air and to show more their beautiful natural shape, and then I powdered the face to fix all the complexion and connect it all together. Now I'm gonna do the eyes with this amazing palette. It's also from Beauty Bay. It's very affordable. For this amount of colors, the price is great, and the quality, my dears, oh my god, these colors are perfectly pigmented, easily blendable. I applied a matte pink. It looks a bit orange in the package, but actually like it's very nice, calm shade of pink. In the outer eye, I blended it out. In the center of the eyelid, I added a very delicate sparkle, and in the inner corner, I added a light matte color, also with a little bit of pink. Then I just got an inspiration boost, and I decided to make a bright red liner with the eyeshadows. I blended it out a little bit, so it got a like softer edge on the upper side, and the lower side I tried to make more graphic and clean. Then I added on top of it a brown eyeliner, just to give eyes a shape and give this eyeliner more definition, and classic black mascara to finish up the upper eyelid. So I finished the upper eyelid, and moving on to the lower eyelid, I used matte eyeshadows in a dark brown mixed with some red from this palette that I like for many years already. And I added a beautiful sparkle with light green particles in it to match my model's top in the inner corner of the eye. Next step, I'm adding some bronzer. This is also a palette from Beauty Bay, and look how wonderful it looks on the skin. It polishes it, it blurs it, and gives such a beautiful color. Here I already added the individual lashes to the eyes and moved on to the final step of the makeup, the lips. For the lips, I used the mix of these two lipsticks that I showed you before, that I also applied on the cheeks and eyes. And I applied it as a tint, tapping it in with a flat synthetic brush. And then finished it up with a beautiful, beautiful lip gloss from Kiko. Now some final touches, just with the usual matte powder, transparent, without any color. And finally I added a bit more blush because I felt like it kind of got a bit absorbed or missing, which usually happens to the blush in the end of the makeup. And here is the final look. I love it. I hope you too, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Ciao!
Déjame sola hoy en la mañana, déjame para allá, se va la gana. Yo te di todo. Siempre me dices que me amas, pero siempre en la cama. Cuando digo que te amo, sé que no te vale.